Hey folks, today we're making ravioli. Why? Because it's fun. Hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you want. Hey, to make this, we're going to need 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of semolina flour, and 2 to 3 eggs, depending on how much you want to make. So you start with your eggs in this volcano type thing and mix it up until you get a ball like this. Now ours was just a little bit too dry and it didn't roll out very thin. This is the first time we made it and it was really fun. But it was still good even though it was a little thick. So then you fold this over. This is how you're going to make your ravioli. And I mashed up some turkey meatballs and added mozzarella cheese. But you can really put anything you want in there. Spinach, mushrooms, meat and sauce, even sweet potato. Cut the ends off and look at that. You're ready to go. You're making ravioli. Oh, get that little stuff over there where it's supposed to be. Now this is really key. You have to mash these ends down really good. Not like the way I got it there. Yeah, the way Sharon's got it. See that? If not, they'll come open when you boil them. While they're drying for about an hour, we're going to make our sauce. And boy, I love this Bertolio sauce. I don't even make my own anymore. I just start with it. Then I do add a can of diced tomatoes to give it some chunkiness. And then heat some water. Drop these in. Make sure your water's not too hot. You don't want it boiling too vigorously or they'll break open. Now, we started with 3 minutes, ended up adding 2 more after that. Total of 5 minutes cooking time. And we didn't have any of them break open, so it was a huge success. Oh yeah. Oh, look out, here comes the sauce. Here comes the chunkiness. Yeah! Oh man. I'm hungry again for raviolis. A little cheese, and there you go. Hey, thanks for watching. And again, give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like. We'll see you at the next stop.